Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log in to your Ceridian Dayforce account. Now let's begin. Initially, you have to know that Ceridian is also called as Dayforce now, so now we can just begin it right now. Now on any browser of your choice, simply enter the link that is dayforce@cm.com and hit on enter right now. Now this is the login page. Simply enter your company name, your username, and your password. Now it is as easy as that. After everything is okay, simply hit on this login button right now. Else, if you cannot access your account, here is the can't access your account button. Simply click on it and follow the prompts to gain access. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you log in to your Ceridian Dayforce account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.